Hello all learners and listeners. This is Megha Kannawar from Podar ICSE Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Today we are going to learn important concept, an interesting concept of geography, that is composition and structure of atmosphere. Earth is unique planet due to existence of life on the earth. It is made up with the three domains: lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Lithosphere is in solid state. Hydrosphere is in liquid state. Atmosphere is in gaseous states. Where is atmosphere? It is everywhere. It starts with the surface of the earth till the last layer, exosphere. All these three domains, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, make biosphere on the earth. How is it atmosphere? It is colorless, tasteless, mobile, dynamic and invisible. Still, it sustains life on the earth. Where is it? It is everywhere, around me and around you too. So, do you want to define exactly what is atmosphere? Okay, let us start. Suppose this is model of earth and this is blanket of atmosphere. So, what is atmosphere? Blanket of air around the earth is called atmosphere. I hope definition is clear. Blanket of air around the earth is called as atmosphere. What is it made up of? What are its contents? You want to know more about it? This is called as a composition of atmosphere. What are the contents of atmosphere? For that purpose, we will do one experiment. I will bring one glass. Wait. This is glass of water. Approximately it has 17% water. Now I will add sugar and lemon juice, which is 21% into the water. I am going to stir it. Lemon juice is ready. But I can't separate. A pinch of salt is also added. But I can't separate lemon juice, sugar, water and salt. All get mixed. It is near about colorless. Similarly, like atmosphere. So I hope the composition of lemon juice is clear. Similarly, atmosphere is also having 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% hydrogen, helium, carbon dioxide, water vapor and even dust particle. Each element is having its importance. Nitrogen is required, essential for the life on the earth, but we can't consume or we can't use it directly. It should get mixed with the soil, then plants can consume it and we can eat those plants. That's the importance of nitrogen, which is 78%. Second element is oxygen, which is 21%, pardon. So this oxygen is required for the breathing and burning purpose. All human beings and animals need oxygen to survive on the earth. In the 1%, many gases are included. Which are those? As I already said you, carbon dioxide is required for the growth of plants. Again, ozone layer protects us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. It has water vapor. Water vapor is also important. Due to this presence of water vapor, water cycle continue on the earth. What is water cycle? Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. So, water vapor is also important. And the last one is dust particles. Do you think dust particles are also having any need or importance? Yes. Condensation of water vapor occur around the dust particle. So each element is having its importance. So the atmosphere which we look around, we can't see, but we can feel, right? It is around us. Where is it? From the surface of earth till the last layer, that is exosphere. So it has many importance. What we have learned today? Let us revise. First of all, what does mean by atmosphere? It's a blanket of air around the earth. Second, composition of atmosphere. 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases. I hope this concept, composition of atmosphere might be clear to you. Thank you.